what's happened is they broke that off, snapped like a character. I'm gonna see. It's got just a bit of a step there. I'll get rid of that step first. Just to give that something to bite onto. And we'll do away with that step. Right down onto it, you know what I mean? Something like that. Still something getting it. And we want that to fit on there. Oh, that's nice, that's nice. But we've got a sort of like slope in there, so if I get rid of that so that fits on there a bit better, you know, we'll have a fighting chance of it. But we got to cut that off pretty square. About there. So now we got a good square to go by. That's going to be up, Rob. Okay. Now we want that on there, which obviously don't want to go in it now. Did it fucking well. What was snapped off. We don't need. Never look it in the eye, in case that broomstick would have hit me right in the eyeball. It's just something to hold on to it when we do get to weld it. I don't want to hit down there, even though I could. I don't want to. Exactly level, but that's alright, Ken. Just bring that around slightly. It's a nice bit of welding for a toss pot. So you want to be a welder for the rest of your life. Don't do it, lads. That is obviously as good as the amount of torque you're going to put onto it, you know what I mean? If you're going to like that, it's not going to be any good. Yeah. She taught me how to yodel, yodel like dee, yodel like dee, yodel like dee, yodel. I'm still fucking up, man. The people was asking about Seb. I can only tell you what I know. They took him out of a coma. He was trying to pull a pipe out, which is obviously a good thing, because he was using two hands. Okay? So that's a good thing for a start. And they just 72 stitches around his hairline to get where they had to get it. Fucking, I don't know. Fucking scary stuff going on, but they know what they're doing, don't they? They know what they're doing. So all in all, things are looking better. So, and apparently they're moving him into a ward now, which is obviously fucking brilliant. You haven't opened his eyes yet, but we know he's in there somewhere fighting like a good soldier. It's not the greatest fix you've ever seen, but at least now it's got a bit of use rather than no use whatsoever. Agreed? Gosh, that now goes back on there. You'll find it all, which I did. It's now got a use, whereas it was a dead piece of steel. So, you know, I'm not the best welder, but I'm pretty fucking good. There is better welders out there, but they're not as funny as me. Right, there you are. Another fucking job. Another job done. There's another job done. There's another job done. Pop up the speaking houses. What we're waiting for is a set of wheels for this trailer. I will show you. I'll show you because I'm so nice to people. We're waiting for the set of wheels. Or 3 tyres, I believe it is. 3 tyres. And I'll put the wheels on, I believe. We'll see what happens. Yeah, cool. Another job fixed.